Hi guys, I'm Andy from Post Carpentry Construction and it's a pleasure to have you here on our channel. The goal of this series is to give you an up-close look at the progress of a new project that's just getting started. We're going to open the doors, literally, so you can follow every phase of the construction, from site preparation all the way to the final finishes. This project is very special to us. We're building a house that is owned by Post Carpentry and will be on the market for sale in about a year. It's located in the town of Brewster, Cape Cod, right next to the historic Route 6, overlooking School Pond. It's an amazing setting. It will be a 2-story house with 2 spacious bedrooms, including a master suite with a bathtub and a walk-in closet. Living room, dining room, a half bath, a large kitchen with a marble island, and a breakfast area. A perfect office for those who like to work from home. In the basement, we'll have another full bathroom, so in total, this house will have 3 full bathrooms and 1 half bath. The basement will also feature a large game room with access to the deck overlooking the lake, and of course, a 2-car garage attached to the house, in addition to a perfectly designed landscaping project built by our landscape team. All the finishing will be done to a high standard, just the way Post Carpenter likes to deliver. We've only been here for 2 months, and we've already done the necessary tree removal, excavation, foundation, and for the past 4 days, we've been in the framing stage. And this is the image you can see. As you can see, we like to work quickly and with commitment. And that's how all our projects are done, to ensure our clients receive delivery in the shortest possible time, without sacrificing the quality of the service we provide. Post Carpentry Home Group is a full-service company with specialized teams for each phase of construction. Carpentry, painting, masonry, landscaping, everything is done by us. We are excited and confident that this will be a unique project, one that will bring a lot of happiness to the future family who will live here. And now we want you to be part of this journey. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram so you can see every stage of this project. Every 2 weeks, we will bring you interviews with professionals in the field so you can learn a bit more about the construction market and the impact of Post Carpenter on the Cape Cod community. We're just getting started, but we already know this will be an unforgettable project.